Hello viewers, welcome you all to Revamp ED YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to see about a PhD admission notification. Here the institute is IISER Pune. So Indian Institute of Science, Education and Research. So here the departments are there like biology, chemistry, earth and climate sciences, physics, humanity and social sciences, and interdisciplinary courses also there. So these all category you can apply for PhD. So here the eligibility criteria is masters in relevant subject, as well as if you have UGC net and JRF, that will be more increase the admission chances. So you can see that the CSAR, UGC net, GATE and GIST, NBHM, JEB, BALS. So these all kind of national level exams you should have cleared it. Okay. So and they are accepting only online applications due to Corona and lockdown. The last date has been extended till May 15th. So if you haven't applied to IISER Pune, so you can apply. In the description box I will give the link. So to get more updates and instant videos, do subscribe to Revamped YouTube channel.